In the last session, we discussed about the course as a part of Oracle Fusion Cloud Financials. What are the different applications we are going to learn? We discussed. So these are the key applications, very primary. Along with that, we'll see Fusion Tax and Expense. When we work on these applications, we have to go through these applications. Okay. With the help of these applications, we'll be able to use this application by implementing. And along with the financials, we should get the basic knowledge of CM applications, supply chain management applications, which applications we are going to learn as a basic level of information we discussed. Those are Fusion Inventory, Order Management, and Purchasing. Along with this product learning, as a part of the real-time processes and all, we are going to discuss about various type of projects, how those projects can be executed, and documentation, methodologies, and interview preparation. So these are the points we discussed in the last session. In today's session, we'll understand more detailed level the meaning of Oracle Fusion Cloud Financials applications. Oracle Fusion Cloud Financials applications. So what does it mean by Oracle? Okay, sorry. So what is the meaning of Oracle? Here, Oracle means simply you can say database. A company called Oracle came into the market with a database concept only. It became very popular in the market, and they plan to develop the applications. And please don't touch this drawing tools, etc. Please, just 1 second. Okay. So Oracle means we have to understand it's a database. Other side, it is a company also. Okay. Oracle means you can say Oracle is one of the database, or you can say company name. So what is the use of database? By using the database, you can store the data in the database. So if you take example of database, say this is the database. In this database, you can store the data. Say you have an Oracle database. By using Oracle database, you can store the data. Within the database, you can have a tables. If you want to store any data in any table, we should know the language called as SQL. Structure query language. By using the SQL language, you can interact with the database. You can store the data, and you can retrieve the data, and you can update. You can perform various operations on the data by using the SQL language. If companies are going to use database, and if they are going to store the data in the database by using the SQL language, it is very difficult for them to store or retrieve or to manage the data in the database. If they want to store the data in the database, they require SQL experts who knows SQL language. With the help of that resource, they can store the data in the database. To simplify this process, what Oracle did is they develop pages, or you can call as a forms. So they develop pages, or you can call as forms. They develop pages like this. Different pages. Now you no need to write any SQL queries. So within these pages, you can enter some data and you can submit, so that data will go and sit in the respective table. Say for example, this table is related to suppliers table. This table may be related to invoice table. Page. This page may be related to payments. If you want to create the supplier, you can enter the supplier details. What is the supplier name? What is the supplier address? And save it. that will go and sit in this table. Okay, that will go and sit in this table. The same way, if you want to enter the invoice information, you no need to write SQL query. Even if you don't know SQL query, no issues. For invoice purpose, you can have one table within the database and invoice form. Okay, you can connect to the respective table. Now, what are the invoices you are going to enter within this invoice page? That information will get stored in the database in the respective table. The same way for payments also, you can have a separate table. The payment page connected to this. And once you create the payments data within that payment page, the data can be stored in the respective table. So this is how Oracle introduced the pages. Even if you don't know the SQL language, you will be able to store the data. By using the pages, you can enter the data and you can store the data. But if you want to see the same data, you can use a concept called as reports. Okay, by using the reports concept, you can fetch the data which is available in these tables and you can see. So that's how you can input the data and you can take the same data as output. By using these pages, we can store the data in the database. Whatever the data we have in the database, if you want to see, you can use the reports concept. So this is how application works. Take any application. There will be a database, and to store the data, you can have some pages or forms. By using those pages, you can enter the data and you can store in the database. If you want to see the data, we can use the reports. This is the meaning of application. Okay, application means a collection of database, some pages or forms, and reports. This is the meaning of database. This is the meaning of application. The applications are developed by which company? With the company name, you can call those applications. If the applications are developed by Oracle, that we call as Oracle application. If application are developed by Microsoft company, you can call as Microsoft application. If application is developed by IBM, you can call as IBM application. Now what we are discussing is Oracle application. The applications which are developed by Oracle, we are talking about. Okay, that is the meaning of Oracle and application. And what does it mean by financials? Already discussed in the last session, financials is one of the product family. Okay, we have many product families from Oracle. Okay, we have many product families. One of the product family is financials. We have financials, SCM. SCM stands for supply chain management. Okay, supply chain management. And we have like product family called as PPM. PPM stands for project portfolio management. Okay. And we have like HCM. Human capital management. And we have procurement. And we have CRM. There are many product families. We don't need to understand everything. So with the financials, you can record finance related data, like creating purchase invoices and making the payments. Okay, here we discussed the relevant data you can store in the applications. And by using SCM, supply chain management, you can just record the maintain the stock, and you can, whenever you receive the material, you can create the receipts, creating the sales orders by using order management. By using the purchasing application, creating the requisitions, purchase orders. And by using PPM, you can record the project related information. As a company, if you are doing some projects for your clients, those could be internal or external projects. what projects you are doing, which resources are working for the project, how much amount you are spending, how much you are generating the revenue. This all you can track by using the PPM applications, project management, project portfolio management. By using HCM applications, we can manage people related information, employee information. With the procurement, we can we can perform some procurement activities. Okay. So dealing with the suppliers and sourcing related activities, okay, which comes under core procurement activities, all those you can maintain. If you look at any product family is made of different applications, means set of applications we are calling as product families. The applications which deals with the finance related data. Finance related data means here more related to money related. Okay. But if you look at payables, okay, in payables we deal with the payments. In receivables, we deal with the receipts. Payments and receipt related to money transactions. If we talk about cash management, it's related to bank accounts, cash. Assets, the fixed assets easily you can convert into cash. You can the liquidity you can convert from asset to cash also. And general ledger application, we discussed the financial report. Based on this finance related data, you can generate the reports. Fusion tax also related to the finance activity related tax calculations. Expense report also related to the people, what they are spending the money and all. So this all related to finance. These all applications are dealing with the finance related activities. So that is the reason these applications we are calling as finance applications. So set of applications which are dealing with the finance matters in the organization. Those applications we are calling as financials. In the same way, SCM, it deals with the supply chain management related activities. Those applications we are calling as SCM. The applications which you can use related to project activities, how much you are spending, how much you are earning, what are the resources you are managing, how your project is planned, how you are executing the project. So to deal with all these activities, what are the contracts you have related to projects with your clients? So for all those, we have applications as a PPM. As a part of PPM, all project related applications you can have. As a part of HCM, people related, HR application, where you can maintain the employees information. Payroll application to process the employees' salaries. And time cards, where employees can just enter their time sheets. And in the same way, talent, options, there are different applications as a part of HCM and in the procurement also to support the procurement process, the procurement contracts we have, and we have like sourcing application and supplier portal, self-service procurement, different applications, set of applications we are calling as procurement. These are the different product families. What we are going to learn here is financials. One of the product families financials, we are going to learn one of the product family called as financials. So that is the meaning of financials. Okay, financial means you have to understand that is one of the product family. The financials can consist of multiple applications. Which applications already we discussed? The financials means it's all about money related transactions. Done. Now let's see what is the meaning of fusion. Okay, what is the meaning of fusion? Now we are talking about Oracle applications. Okay, we are talking about Oracle applications. Say Oracle. Like Oracle, there are many other applications in the market. Okay, there are many other applications in the market. So we have Oracle application. The same way we have PeopleSoft. Like however, Oracle built many applications. PeopleSoft company also built many applications. Okay, and in Oracle we have financials application. The same way PeopleSoft also we have financials application. Oracle we have like this HCM applications, or you can call as HRMS also. Then PeopleSoft also we have HCM solution. And PeopleSoft, and we have JD AdWords applications. Okay, and we have like Primavera applications. PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Primavera, and say Siebel application. We have SAP. These are the different companies, software companies who are providing the applications for any organizations to manage their business data. So when I talk about these different companies are specialized in the different product families. Say, for example, you are going to buy a car. From which brand you want to buy a car, you have to choose. You are going to buy the laptop, you will choose from the different brand. Okay. You are going to buy a mobile, you will buy a mobile from the best brand in the market or as per your budget. So you can buy the mobile maybe from Apple, iPhone you may buy. When it comes to car, you may buy like a BMW or Honda, some brand. And when you buy some laptop, you may buy the laptop from Dell. Here you can choose whatever best for us. When it comes to these applications, choosing the different applications from the different vendors and managing those applications will become complex. So that is the reason most of the companies, what they'll do is all the applications, what they need, financials, SCM, PPM, they'll try to choose from same vendor, only from one company. If any company is looking for the best solutions as per their business, they have to choose these applications from which companies. Let's talk about it. If you talk about Oracle, from Oracle, very famous solution is financials. Very famous. Financials is very famous. Oracle only offering best solution for financials as a financial applications. If you talk about PeopleSoft, from PeopleSoft, HCM solution is very famous. And when you talk about JD Edwards, SCM and procurement solution is very famous in the market. Okay. From Primavera, the PPM, project portfolio management solution is very famous. From Siebel, CRM solution is very famous. From SAP, SD solution is very famous. Now, if any company is going to implement these products, along with that, I'm just adding CRM also, customer relationship management. If any company wants to implement all these product families to manage their business data, now which product they have to choose? So remember, most of the products have all these solutions. If you look at Oracle, so Oracle not only financials, they have SCM, PPM, HCM and all. But in Oracle, whatever you have as HCM solution, it is not great solution when you compare with the PeopleSoft. From Oracle, we have HCM solution. You can call it as HCM or HRMS, Human Resource Management System. From Oracle, you have HCM. And you have HCM from PeopleSoft. You have HCM from SAP also. Okay, you have HCM from many other products. But which is the best in the market for HCM, human capital management? PeopleSoft product is very famous for HCM. Now, even Oracle has HCM that is not a great compared to PeopleSoft. And in the same way, the other companies also has different solutions. Okay, these are all solutions they have more or less. Now, if any company is going to implement these all product families for their organization, which company they have to choose? They have to go with Oracle or PeopleSoft company or JD Edwards, Primavera, Siebel, or SAP, etc. And again, for reporting, we have Hyperion, okay, as a company. Okay, there's a company called as Hyperion. They are very famous for reporting tools. The reporting we have in the Oracle, PeopleSoft, JDE, and all these applications. But Hyperion product is very famous for reporting and budgeting and planning purposes. Now, if some company is looking for all these solutions, some reporting tools, etc. Okay. So which product they have to choose? If they choose Oracle, they'll get financials. but HCM and all they can get from Oracle, but those are not best in the market. And if they choose PeopleSoft, they will get HCM as a best. Finance, they'll get very poor solution. If they choose CBIL, they'll get CRM solution as a best. The rest they may not get as a best. And if they choose SAP product, they may get ST, sales and distribution. Rest of all are compared to other products are poor. Okay, for Hyperion, yes, reporting is different. So this is how we have a situation in the market. Now, what Oracle it is? So what are the best solutions are available in the market? Most of the products they acquired, they purchased. What Oracle it is, they purchased PeopleSoft. Now PeopleSoft became Oracle PeopleSoft. JDE means JD Edwards. This is a company name. They are also offering this product, families product solutions. So since SAM and procurement solutions are good in JD Edwards, Oracle acquired JD Edwards company also. Oracle became Oracle JD. So PPM solution is best from Primavera. Your project scheduling and managing the project, the best solution is available from Primavera product. Oracle acquired Primavera also. Now Oracle, the Primavera became Oracle Primavera. CBIL is very famous for CRM solutions in the market. So Oracle acquired CBIL company also. And Hyperion is very famous for reporting and planning and budgeting. Oracle acquired Hyperion also. Now this company became Oracle Hyperion. So except SAP, not only these, there are many other products Oracle acquired. Now what Oracle it is, they taken financials from Oracle only, their own product. And they taken, don't need to write from where, we'll discuss. Okay, they taken financial solutions from Oracle. And HCM solution they taken from PeopleSoft. They purchased PeopleSoft company, they acquired. So HCM solution they taken from PeopleSoft, which is the best. From JD Edwards, they taken SCM and procurement solution. SCM and PRC means procurement. From Primavera, they taken PPM solution. And from CBIL, they taken CRM solution. And from Hyperion, they taken reporting solution. By taking financial solutions from Oracle, their own product, and HCM solution from PeopleSoft, the product which they acquired, and SCM and procurement they taken from Oracle JD, as well as certain functionalities they taken from Oracle also. And from Primavera, they taken PPM solution. From CBIL, they taken CRM solution. From Hyperion, they taken reporting capabilities, and they build a solution called as Fusion. Now, if you go for only Oracle, you may get financials as good, PeopleSoft only HCM, Primavera only PPM, CBIL only CRM. But if you choose Fusion, you will get best all the areas of product families, because Oracle choose the best solution from the different products which they acquired and which they are owning now. So this is the meaning of Fusion. If any company is going to implement Fusion applications, say they need financials, SCM, HCM, and PPM. If they choose financials, they get best financial solution from Fusion. If they choose HCM from Fusion, they'll get best as a part of Fusion, because they taken HCM from the PeopleSoft, and SCM, PPM, you name any product family, so that they can get as a best, since they taken all these products from the best solutions which are available in the market, which are acquired by Oracle. Okay, that means these all are legacy of different best solutions which are available in the market. This is the meaning of Fusion. Any questions on this, please? So any questions here, please? When we work on the fusion applications, you see everything as a fusion. You don't see financials as a Oracle and HCM as a PeopleSoft HCM. SCM is a JD Edwards, SCM or procurement, and you don't see as a Primavera PPM or Siebel CRM. Everything you can see as a fusion financials, fusion HCM, fusion SCM, fusion procurement PPM, and all you can see everything as a fusion. Again, this fusion is owned by which company? Oracle. Now you see this as a Oracle Fusion applications. Okay, Oracle Fusion Financials, Oracle Fusion HCM, Oracle Fusion SCM, Oracle Fusion Procurement. This is how you can see the meaning of fusion is this. So this got great demand in the market. Okay, so before fusion, if any company is going to choose any product, they may get very specialized solutions, one or two. But if any company is going to use fusion, they are going to get all as very much specialized, which are doing really good, which are very famous in the market. So that defines meaning of fusion. That means some different solutions they fused into one solution, that is a fusion. Okay, Oracle Fusion applications. Any questions on this point, please? Any questions from anyone?
Sir, I have a question.
Please.
Yes, sir, you said that the fusion in there is a Oracle which supports financial as a best, and PeopleSoft will support HCM as a best. So Oracle will support PeopleSoft, JDE, and Primavera version, or they will choose the best support.
No,
Best
all.
part.
Now these all are Oracle products only. I'm just explaining for your understanding. In past, these are different products, different vendors.
Yes, sir. Correct.
Primavera solution they taken as a part of fusion. Now Oracle Primavera is Oracle product only. They supports Oracle Primavera, Oracle JD, Oracle PeopleSoft, and their own products and acquired products. These all Oracle will support.
Okay, now Oracle will support all these things.
The reason is these all are their own products now. That is the reason.
Okay, sir.
They purchased. Yeah. Any questions?
Yes, sir. In Oracle R2 we used to get the reports through Discoverer platform.
Yeah, in the fusion there is no Discoverer reports. They introduce other reporting tools like XML, OTBI, and Hyperion.
Okay. We will get all these details through new implementation, new things. So from
In
new
our
reporting
classes,
tools.
we'll see all this. We'll see.
Okay.
BA
Okay.
reports is a purely like custom reports where technical people has to develop. But what are the BA reports Oracle is providing, how to create the OTBA reports, and how to prepare the Hyperion reports, we'll go through. These are the different concepts as part of our course curriculum.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Any other questions, please? Fine. No questions. So when you look at this Oracle Fusion Cloud of financials applications, already discussed meaning of Oracle. Oracle is database or company name. Applications means the database pages and reports. And we discussed financials. Financials is one of the product family. Like financials, there are many product families from Oracle. We are going to learn financials. And what is the meaning of fusion also we discussed. The fusion meaning is the best solutions they taken as a fusion product. They acquired, they have their own products and they acquire many products from their own products and acquired products. They taken the best solutions and they separated all those. For that, they name it as a fusion applications. Okay, fusion applications means applications which they taken from the best solutions. Since these are owned by Oracle, you can call as Oracle Fusion applications. Okay, understand meaning of fusion means. So they taken different solutions, best solutions to build the Oracle Fusion applications. That's what you have to understand. What they did is they taken these solutions wherever required. They did some enhancements. They added some new functionalities or slightly they changed wherever it is required. And they created some new features also. Okay. So this is all very slight changes there. Okay. The legacy, the core product functionalities from the different products what we discussed. Okay. From Oracle only, from Oracle EBS. Before Fusion, the prior version is Oracle EBS. From EBS, whatever financial solution we have, the same they taken into Fusion as this. And they did some changes. Wherever it is applicable, they did some changes. They introduced some new functionalities and new capabilities. So that's what we can see, like how those are available. You can see if you are from EBS background, you can compare and understand, or else directly anyway, everything we are going to discuss.
Hello, sir.
Please.
Sir, now here PeopleSoft, JD Edwards and all. Now these company has sold, matlab, Oracle has acquired these from these companies, and now those companies do not have any right over these products developed by them, sir.
Correct, correct. Yes, they sold out. Okay, they sold out. Okay, just Oracle purchased PeopleSoft. Now PeopleSoft company is owned by Oracle. Company itself they purchased. There is no like as a separate entity. Those are okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
All comes under Oracle only.
Sir,
Please.
I have a question. Sir, you're saying that before Fusion we have a EBS.
Correct.
If we apply for as an experienced person, when the Oracle Fusion was implemented in the market, I mean introduced in the market before and after the EBS.
Yeah. If you talk
I'm
about financials, see, Oracle did not release these Fusion applications, all the product families at a time in one go. So they started introducing to the market one by one. Okay. So as a very initial product family, they introduced HCM. Okay. After HCM, they introduced financials. After financials, they introduced procurement. After that, SCM. After SCM, PPM, then CRM. That's how phase by phase they introduced. If you talk about financials clients started using from 2016. Okay. So prior to 2016, they introduced, but those are like from 2017 onwards, clients started using these Fusion applications. That you can make it out.
Okay, thank you.
If you talk about HCM and all, clients started using that HCM from 2014 onwards, 2014-15 onwards, clients started using. First, they introduced HCM only. So when you talk about financials, from 2016, we started implementing these Fusion applications, Fusion financials for the companies. Very less companies implemented in 2016 and 17, 18. It was they are working on it by 2019. The product is very much stabilized. Then many companies started implementing. Any other questions here, please? No questions. Now let's try to understand what is the meaning of cloud. Okay, what is the meaning of cloud? Say one of company is going to use Oracle Fusion applications. They are going to use Oracle Fusion applications. If they want to use the Fusion application, what things they have to get ready? We have to understand. If any company wants to use Fusion applications, and if they want to have their own servers, okay, if they want to have their own servers, they have to set up certain information. Okay, so let's talk about it. If any company wants to use Fusion applications, and if they want to have their own servers, okay, if they want to have their own servers, so they have to arrange their servers. Let me take that point. If they are going to have their own servers, that environment we call as on-premise. So on-premise means in their locations, they will have their servers. Say one company wants to use Fusion applications. What are the points we have to understand? The first point is they can have their servers. Okay, they can have their servers. Say the client is located in US, they'll locate the servers also in USA. And to use the Fusion applications, they have to take the license from Oracle. Which Fusion applications they are going to use? Say they are going to use financials, HCM, SCM. For these three product families, they have to take the license. Okay, they'll take the license for these three product families for how many users and what is the time period. Accordingly, they'll take the license. Let's make a note. They have to take license. After taking the license, they need a DBA, Fusion Apps DBA. DBA means database administrator. Who can install and who can manage the Fusion applications? The DBA they require. The DBA can install those licensed applications in the server and they'll take care of the maintenance of the server. So if you are going to have your own server, okay, you have to take the license for Fusion applications with the help of DBA. You have to hire the DBA, Fusion Apps DBA. With the help of DBA, those Fusion applications can be installed in your server. That means Fusion Apps. Apps means applications. Short name is apps. Fusion Apps installation. Okay. So the DBA has to install these applications in the server. And the same company should take care of the networking and security of that server and application and the administration of the server, all the maintenance, security, networking, everything they have to take care. For that, they have to hire the respective resource. And the server maintenance should be taken care by the company owned. Okay, server maintenance should be taken care by that company. And if at all there is any changes in the products, they have to upgrade on their own. Okay, now they started using the Fusion application. Say after 1 year or 2 years, Oracle may come up with some changes as a new release. And if they want to upgrade from the current release, what they are using to latest one, and on their own, they have to do it. So this all should be managed by the client team only. Okay. If they are going to have their own servers, they have to take the license and they need DBA team and who can install and you can manage the servers and networking security. They have to take care of upgrades. If they want to upgrade from the previous to latest releases, so that should be done by their team only. And if they don't want to have their own servers, they can take the servers from Oracle. Okay, they can take the servers from Oracle. What are the servers Oracle is providing? Those servers we call as virtual servers. Okay, what are the servers Oracle is providing? Those we call as virtual servers. So what is the difference between virtual servers and physical servers? So if as a company, if you are going to have a servers, those are physical servers. You can locate those servers in so-and-so location. But virtual servers, there is a concept called as virtualization. In case of cloud computing, cloud companies, by using the virtualization concept, they can create the virtual servers. So who are providing the cloud services, what they can do is they'll use the big servers, very big servers, big machines they use. By using that, they can generate the virtual servers. For each client, they can allocate the virtual servers. If it is a physical server, you have to place in so-and-so location. The cloud computing company can locate the big servers in so-and-so location, but by using that virtual physical servers, they can generate a number of virtual servers, but the virtual servers would be available internet as a source. They'll keep those virtual servers available in internet as a source. If it is a physical server, you can touch. If virtual servers, you cannot touch, just you can access and you can use, which will be available as internet as a source. These cloud computing companies, what they do is, take example now, Oracle also one of the cloud computing company. Oracle acquired few cloud computing companies. Now Oracle is claiming they are one of the cloud computing company like Amazon and Google and few other vendors. So what cloud computing companies can do is, for every client, they'll provide one virtual server. And they'll set up the data centers in most of the countries. Say, Oracle has a data center in India. Oracle has a data center in USA. Oracle has a data center in UAE. Okay, Oracle has a data center in few other countries also. Now say for one client, they are providing one virtual server. The virtual server name is, I'm taking as XYZ INC. That they given for the company called as XYZ INC company. So virtual server XYZ INC. This server can be used by XYZ company. Okay, XYZ company can use this server. Now, where they have their physical server, say Oracle has their physical server in USA. By using the physical server, what they have, with that they created a number of virtual servers. But say client is doing the business in India, US and UAE. If client is doing the business from USA, yes, since the physical server is available in US users easily can connect to the server when they are performing certain activities. The server response also would be very good. But from India and UAE, if users are going to work on the same server, if server is located in USA, you take this example or any example, if server is located in USA, the response would be poor. The India user is connecting means it's for India user, the server is very far away. The user has to submit the request. The request should reach to the servers which are located in US, and it may take some time to respond. And performance wise, user will have a bad experience. And for that, what Oracle did is, as a cloud computing company, they are keeping the physical servers in one country. With that, they are generating the virtual server, and the virtual servers they are maintaining in the client nearest data centers. So if client is doing the business in India, the same virtual servers they are keeping available in India data center. They are keeping the server in their USA data center. They are keeping the same virtual server in UAE data center. Now, if users are going to work from UAE, if they try to connect to the server, the same virtual server they are replicating and they are maintaining in the UAE data center. So UAE data center is in UAE only. Users also trying to connect from UAE. Whenever they try to connect, the connection can be established immediately. The response also very good. Or else, if UAE users are going to work on the server, if physical server is located in USA, and there will be lot of network from India, users will try to connect to the same server from USA and UAE from other countries. There is too much of network traffic when users are trying to connect, and when they are performing some transactions by connecting the same server which is located in the single location. And performance wise also, it takes time to respond. For US users, it may respond immediately. For India and USA, they are connecting from different countries and which are quite far away. So their experience would be very poor. So that is the reason with the cloud computing, what cloud computing companies are doing is, instead of going with physical servers, they may use the physical servers to generate the virtual servers. They are not giving access to physical servers, they are giving the access to virtual servers. The virtual servers they are keeping available in the client nearest data centers, and these all will sync and work. All will work as one only. Whatever Oracle is allocating for XYZ company, they are just replicating in the different data centers. This all will be in the full sync. Whatever you do in from India, that would be visible from USA and UAE also. Okay, so this all will be in the full sync. If any user is trying to connect, URL would be same. The whatever the server what they are providing, the URL will be same. If any user is connecting to that URL, automatically that server can identify the user location. If user is from USA, it will connect to USA virtual server, which is available in the USA data center. If user is connecting from India, it will route that user connectivity to India virtual server, which is available in India data centers. So this is how the solution is simplified. If you are using the physical servers, you have to connect. When we are connecting from different countries, the experience wise, it would be very poor. If you are using the virtual servers, the cloud computing companies are keeping available in almost in all the countries. Let you do business in any country, so you will be able to access the servers with expected speed and response. So that's how that Oracle is providing virtual servers. So if you want to have your own servers, you have to take care of all this. To buy the server infrastructure, you have to invest a lot. And for licensing, you have to spend good amount of money, and you have to have a DBAs and network admins and installation. Say for example, your DBA is not available. If your server will go down, you have to wait for your DBA. That's all. There is a risk. And again, you have to take care of your server maintenance. If any new releases from Oracle, your team should take care of the upgrades and all. It is some kind of challenging scenario. If you take the virtual servers from Oracle, you no need to buy any server infrastructure, no license. To take the virtual servers from Oracle, just you have to take the subscription, pay and use. In case of on-premise, you have to buy the servers and you have to take the license. Here, in case of virtual servers, you no need to buy the servers. Okay, you no need to buy the physical servers. So virtual server Oracle will provide with your subscription. License fees is very high, subscription fees is very less. Okay, license fees means we are buying completely. Subscription means for a certain period you are taking, you will pay very less. And you don't need any Fusion Apps DBAs in case of virtual servers. You will get Fusion Apps DBA support from Oracle only. The Fusion Apps installation and everything they'll do in the virtual server, and networking, security, everything Oracle will take care. Server maintenance also can be taken care by Oracle, and the upgrade also can be taken care by Oracle. So virtual servers means the best example you can take WhatsApp. What are the WhatsApp you are using? Those we are using with the virtual servers only. The moment you connect, it will connect like everything is there in your mobile only. That means the product, the WhatsApp application, they are managing with a virtual server. If you are connecting to WhatsApp from India, so it will get connected to India server. Again, if there is huge user base for WhatsApp, in each city, they can set up the virtual servers in their data centers. So that's how these applications are available. If you connect to WhatsApp, if you connect to Facebook, if you connect to Twitter, if you connect to LinkedIn, if you connect to Instagram, these all, not only that, Google and Gmail, these all are on cloud. Cloud means virtual servers. These all products are managed by virtual servers. When you say virtual servers, those would be available internet as a source. If you connect it to internet, you can think there those applications are available. How you can say those applications are available as internet? Wherever you are, almost that company is maintaining the virtual servers in the country or in that city data centers. That is the reason whenever you try to connect to this, there won't be any response time. Immediately those all applications will respond. These all applications are managed by cloud only. So that is the meaning of cloud. On-premise means physical servers, everything you have to take care. When you say cloud, you will have a virtual servers. So everything can be managed by cloud computing company. Just you have to take the subscription and you can use it. That is the meaning of cloud. Any questions here, please? There are a few more points what we have to discuss about what are the different options are available in the cloud and all. So whatever we discussed on those points, any questions, please? Cloud means we are not going to use any physical servers. We no need to buy any server infrastructure, no license required, no DVS, no installation, no security admins, no maintenance, no upgrade by ourselves. All can be taken by Oracle if you take the subscription for virtual servers. This is the point we have to understand. Any questions on this, please?
Hi, sir.
Please.
Yeah, one small question. Actually, we are residing in Qatar. Actually, as you said, wherever having a data center, they will install nearby one virtual server. But in Qatar, we don't have any data center. Then how we can access virtual server? Can you
No
please explain?
issues. Nearest to Qatar, in which other country the data center they have, to that data country virtual server, your request will be submitted, connected as a user. That's all.
You mean to say data server was located in, as you said, in UAE. So they will place that virtual server in the
They
UAE, right?
route.
We can.
Yes, exactly. See, from which country you are working, in that country data center is not available. What is the nearest country they have data center? Through that, the virtual server they'll keep available. You can connect. That's all.
Okay, so the no need each country have to
Not
maintain
mandatory.
their
Not
data.
mandatory. Not mandatory. So if required, they will do that. To see next to very less distance countries.
Yes.
Every country it may not be required. Again, they will look at the client base. How many clients are there? Okay. So if they have many clients, they may go for separate virtual servers. I mean, separate data centers for each country. Otherwise, less client means they'll just manage with a few data centers.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks. Any other questions, please? No questions. Now, as a company, if you are going to use Oracle Fusion applications, here how you have to call them. The product name is Oracle Fusion applications. I'm not talking about financials or SCM or HCM. Okay. The product name is Oracle Fusion applications, and from Oracle Fusion applications, you may use Oracle Fusion financials or SCM or HCM, PPM or CRM. That is as per our company requirement. So product name is Oracle Fusion applications. If you are going to install these Oracle Fusion applications in on-premise, you call it as Oracle Fusion applications only. If you are going to use Oracle Fusion applications, I'm not saying which application, just Oracle Fusion application. If you are going to use Oracle Fusion applications with the help of virtual servers, you have to include the term called as cloud in this. Instead of calling Oracle Fusion applications, we call as Oracle Fusion cloud applications. Okay, you call it as cloud application. That is the difference between Oracle Fusion and Oracle Fusion cloud applications. When you say Oracle Fusion applications, that means you are not using Oracle Fusion applications with the help of virtual servers, not through cloud. Simply you can say not through cloud. That means Oracle Fusion applications you are using means you are using on-premise applications with your own server. If you are going to use Oracle Fusion applications with the help of Oracle provided virtual servers, then you have to include the term called as cloud. You are accessing the Fusion applications through cloud, virtual servers. Means it's all about deployment model. Whether the applications are deployed in your own server or applications are deployed in the cloud, based on that, you can add the cloud or you can exclude the cloud. If you take example of Oracle Fusion financials, Oracle Fusion Financials application. If you are using this Oracle Fusion applications with the help of your own server, call it as Oracle Fusion Financials only. If you are using this Oracle Fusion Financials with the help of Oracle servers, you have to include the term called as cloud. Oracle Fusion Cloud Financials you have to call. And when you look at this Oracle Fusion Financials and Oracle Fusion Cloud Financials, whatever the product Oracle is offering, there won't be any difference. What you see in Oracle Fusion Financials, the same you see in Oracle Fusion Cloud. But Oracle Fusion Financials means you are accessing that applications from your own server. And you say Oracle Fusion Cloud Financials means the applications are managed by Oracle with the help of their virtual servers. So that is only the difference. Okay, inside there won't be any difference, both are same. So where we have those applications in your own server or in Oracle servers, that makes the difference to include or exclude cloud term. This is what we have to understand. This is applicable for any other product families also. Now, as a company, if you want to implement Fusion applications and if you want to go with a cloud option, okay, if you want to go with a cloud option, what are the different options are available from Oracle? Okay, what are the different options are available from Oracle? We'll see. So as a company, if you are going to implement Fusion applications for your organization, so there are different subscription options, or you can say cloud models, you can say. Those are, we call it as SaaS. We'll discuss very detailed level. First, you take the short names. We have an option called as SaaS. You may take the SaaS subscription for your company, or else you can take SaaS subscription. And we have one more option from Oracle, that is IaaS. So what does that mean by SaaS? Okay, SaaS stands for software. Okay, first S stands for software. The second letter A stands for as. Third letter A stands for A. Other S stands for service. SaaS stands for software as a service. What does it mean by software as a service? We will discuss. First, we'll see what is the meaning of PaaS. PaaS stands for platform as a service. P stands for platform, A stands for as, another A stands for A, S stands for service. Platform as a service. What is the meaning of IaaS? IaaS stands for infrastructure as a service. Infrastructure as a service. Okay, infrastructure as a service. These three we call as cloud models or cloud subscription options. Or cloud options also you can call, means subscription options. If you want to use cloud solution for your company, you can go with a SaaS or PaaS or IaaS. But if you are going to use the Fusion applications, you can go with the SaaS or PaaS. Okay, IaaS won't help us. We'll discuss, we'll understand each and every one. So if you take the SaaS subscription for your company, okay, you will get the product. Okay, you'll get Fusion applications in the virtual server. Okay, if you take the SaaS subscription for your company, so for which applications you are taking the subscription, you will get access to those. And here, if at all you want to create one new page, it is not possible. If you want to create new page or new report, it is not possible. Creating something new, we call as customization. Okay, which is not available in the product in any application. If you are creating that, that we call as customization, or you can call as a development also. So you may want to create new page, or you may want to create new application, or you may want to create new report. Okay, so these all we call as customizations. Sometimes what happens is, say you are using payables application from Oracle, say Oracle AP, but you are going to use purchasing application from Microsoft PO application. Now PO application also Oracle purchasing application, those applications Oracle is connecting to send the data from purchasing application to Oracle payables application. Oracle is creating the connection that we call as technically integration. So if PO application and AP application both are from Oracle, you no need to connect. Oracle is connecting and giving for companies. You are using purchasing application from Microsoft company, AP application, accounts payable application from Oracle. In these scenarios, we have to connect these two applications. We in the sense, not we exactly, technical consultants. We are functional. The technical consultant has to connect this Microsoft purchasing application with Oracle AP application. This we call as integration. Integrations also comes under customizations. In case of SaaS, the page related customization is not possible. No, Oracle doesn't allow. Okay. And if you want to create new application, not possible. Okay. And if you want to create the new report in case of SaaS, yes, possible. Okay, new report. Oracle is providing many reports. Apart from that, you want to create new report. Yes, possible. And you want to do the integrations. Yes, possible. If you take the SaaS subscription, software as a service subscription, so you will get access to Fusion applications. If you want to create new pages, new applications, not possible. And you can create the reports and you can do the integrations. Integrations to bring the data into these applications. You are not disturbing any product. Reports means to view the data. But if you are creating new pages, new application means existing solution you are disturbing. So that we call as, this all we call as customizations. Okay, but reports and integration related customizations are not going to disturb any standard product Oracle is providing. If you are creating new page, new application, this will disturb the standard product Oracle is providing. That is not allowed by Oracle in case of SaaS customers. For SaaS customers, Oracle is not allowing. So instead of saying page you cannot create, application you cannot create, simply you can say in SaaS, customizations are not possible. Of course, we can do the report customizations and integrations. But if you exclude reports and integration related customization, simply you can say, in case of SaaS, customizations are possible. Can we customize the reports? Yes, reports and integrations we can do, but you cannot create new page, which will help you to create some new feature or new process or the new application also you cannot create. So take that point as customizations are not possible. When you say customizations, reports and integrations also customization. Those are possible. Creating new pages and applications not possible. So simply you can say customizations no in case of SaaS except reports creation and integrations. So this is what we have to understand. Say today you are using release 13. The latest release what we are going to use and which is available in the market is release 13. Okay, Fusion release 13. Fusion release 13. Then maybe after 2 or 3 years, Oracle may release 14. If you want to move from release 13 to 14, in case of SaaS, that is very easy. Just you have to inform to Oracle In one day, they can change your environment from release 13 to 14. That means auto upgrade. In case of SaaS, software as a service subscription, you are using Oracle Fusion application, you take a SaaS subscription, SaaS model of subscription. If you are a SaaS customer, your applications can be upgraded automatically. Auto upgrade is possible. Why Oracle? How Oracle can auto upgrade? Because you are not disturbing the product functionality what Oracle is providing. You are not creating new pages, you are not creating new applications. That means you are not disturbing the Fusion applications what Oracle is providing. So your environment can be upgraded automatically. And you will get, already we discussed the support, DBA support, maintenance, everything will be taken care by Oracle. Okay, everything can be taken care by Oracle. If you take the PaaS subscription, okay, if you take the PaaS subscription, how it works? If you take the PaaS subscription, you will get access to Fusion applications, the standard product which Oracle is offering. In case of PaaS, you can create the new pages and you can create the new applications also. So along with that, anyway, you can create the new reports and you can do the integrations. That means in case of PaaS, customizations are allowed. You can do the customization. Since you are disturbing the product which Oracle is provided by doing the page and application customization, the auto upgrade is not possible. No here. Okay, here auto upgrade is yes possible. So in case of PaaS, if you want to upgrade from the older release to latest, you have to put the effort as a team to complete that activity. Simply, it cannot be converted. So that is a difference between SaaS and PaaS. So most of the customers are using SaaS only, because the product which is available from Oracle, by understanding global business requirements, they designed and developed. For most of the organization, what Oracle is providing, that application will suit maximum the requirement what they have. For any company, whatever the product Oracle is providing, that is not 100% matching, they can go with a PaaS subscription, and as per their business process, they can do the changes in the product what Oracle is providing. In those scenarios only that companies will go with a PaaS. Okay, so this is what we have to understand. As a consultant, you no need to decide SaaS or PaaS. That should be done by sales and pre-sales teams. When they are getting, just when they are helping to the client, they will take care of all those. As a consultant, it could be SaaS or PaaS. It doesn't make any difference for us. We always work on the Fusion applications which Oracle is providing. If anything need to be customized, this all should be done by technical consultant. Page creation or application creation, new report or integration, these all should be done by technical consultant. So always we focus on what is a standard product, how to configure, how we can help them to use this application by so-and-so client. So we work on the standard product only. If any customizations are done, those also can be included and those can be used by client. We will help to the client how to use that new page or new application once that is done by technical consultants. Okay, the key difference between SaaS and PaaS is, in case of SaaS, customizations are not allowed. When you say customizations, there are customizations only, but reports and integrations are not going to disturb the product functionalities. That is the reason these we are not counting as a customizations, and primarily page and application. Here no customizations, here customizations are possible. Auto upgrade is possible here, auto upgrade is not possible. If 100 clients are going to use Fusion Cloud applications, more than 90% clients are using SaaS only. Maybe 5 to 10% clients are using PaaS. Being a finance functional consultant, it can be SaaS or PaaS. We no need to worry about it. If it is a PaaS, technical consultants will be able to create the new pages and new applications as per business requirement. If it is a SaaS, it doesn't allow the technical consultants to create the new pages and new application. Oracle will not give the provision option to create. So in case of SaaS, technical consultants can create the custom reports, means new reports and integrations on. So this is what we have to understand about SaaS and PaaS. If you take IaaS subscription from Oracle, you don't get any applications from Oracle. You don't get any Fusion applications in case of IaaS. You will get storage space. You can store any data or any files, anything you can install in that as per your requirement. So IaaS is just a storage space, not applications. In case of SaaS and PaaS subscription, we get the application from Oracle based on the subscription model. So it may support, may not support the customizations. Already we discussed SaaS supports auto upgrades, PaaS doesn't support, and SaaS doesn't support customizations, PaaS subscription supports customizations. So these are the points we have to understand. Okay, in case of SaaS or PaaS, we get DBA support from Oracle. Oracle Cloud DBS will help us for any this product related issues or anything related to that. And maintenance also can be taken care by DBAs and networking, everything, whatever we discussed here. So everything will be taken care by Oracle only, since the servers are managed by Oracle, that too, those are lightweight servers, means virtual servers, not physical servers. So this is what we have to understand when I talk about cloud. So we have a 3 subscription options or subscription models from Oracle: SaaS, PaaS, IaaS. If you want to use the Fusion applications, you can go with the SaaS or PaaS. Most of the clients are using SaaS only. Done. Any questions, please?
Please explain IaaS, no, sir, once again. IaaS, I missed it.
So, like we can purchase external drive, external devices to store the data, hard disk. Hard disk.
Yes, yes, sir.
You can see in your system, you have a hard disk. It has a less capacity. Okay, maybe it's a 500 GB it supports. Now you want to store the data like it supports 500. You want to store 600 GB data. What you will do?
We purchase external devices.
Yes, if possible, you may change your hard disk, or else you will buy external hard disk, so that what you can do, you can store the data in that external hard disk. Say external hard disk cost, say for example, the external hard disk to store the external hard disk with the 600 GB, it will cost say $10,000, 10,000 rupees. Take example, 10,000 rupees. But you need that 600 GB hard disk for only 1 month. Now what you can do? You may borrow from somebody, right? If possible. That option is not available for you. What you are going to do? You need 600 space hard disk, and that you need just for 1 month. If you are going to use it for long period, okay, you can spend 10,000 rupees and you can buy it. But if you require just for 1 month, what you will do? You borrow the space from cloud companies. Okay, you can buy the 600 GB storage space from Oracle or Google. You have a Google Drive, Google, and you can buy from some other companies, and all the files what you want to store in that space, which are equal to 600 GB, you can place those files in that. So that is equal to IaaS.
Okay, sir, got it. Thank you.
Yeah, storage space.
Sir, if I work as a functional functional thing, we no need to worry about the SaaS, PaaS subscription and all, whatever the company has taken.
Yes,
right?
yes. Our job would be remain same. It could be SaaS or PaaS. So our job will be same.
The creation of page application is not affected.
Everything. That is not our job. Okay.
Yeah.
This SaaS or PaaS customization means always it comes under technical job.
If I mean just for asking, if the company is taking a SaaS subscription for a first year, if they want to change to PaaS because they need some changes in the applications, they are
Yes.
changing, adding a pages. If they change it to the subscription to PaaS,
Yes.
if our
See-
job affect anything, our job will be same. It will need to learn anything from the PaaS or SaaS. Is there any difference?
See, only the difference is in PaaS, Oracle is allowing to do the customization. In SaaS, they are not allowing. If you want to convert SaaS as a PaaS, so in that instance, what they are providing, they will provision to do the customizations, then that will turn into PaaS. That's all.
I didn't get this here. In case of SaaS, auto upgrade is yes, and in case of PaaS, here auto upgrade is no. Can you explain here?
Okay. Auto upgrade means, say you are using release 13 now. Okay. As a company, you are using the application as a release 13 you are using, or you can say some version you are using. Now Oracle introduced release 14. Okay, you are a SaaS customer. You are using Fusion applications as a release 13. After 2 years, Oracle may introduce release 14 by adding some new features or by changing something. Oracle may release 14. Now your virtual server, within that, whatever the Fusion applications are there, Oracle can convert into 14, release 14. That is auto upgrade we are calling. Simply they can convert. Your environment can be automatically upgraded to 14 on our request. Which is
1 minute, sir. Now here auto upgrade is no. Here when new versions are released, the previous ones, the older features will be there. In addition to the older features, new features will be added.
That's
So here, matlab kya problem aayega? Here there is
please don't use Hindi or other languages, only English.
Here, why they are not telling auto upgrade as S? Because only new features will be added, no, sir?
No. See, everywhere new features only. The thing is, here you are disturbing the product. Okay.
Okay.
Because all Oracle doesn't know, right? What changes you did, whatever the new release, it will fit into that application, the changes you did and all these and all. Oracle cannot look into your environment, and they cannot take care of all those points. That is the reason simply they are saying, if you do some changes, I don't know. See, you will buy the mobile. Okay, if you take to that respective service center, they will do require service. If you give that mobile outside in some repair shop, and those people will just open and they'll do some changes. If you take to the service center, what they say is, so it's already somebody just touched these components and they just kind of changed this and that. Now service is not applicable, right?
Yes. Okay.
The same case here. You are doing some changes. That is the reason Oracle is not going to upgrade automatically.
Okay. Thank you.
Do it through manual process. For that, Oracle supports, but your team should put some efforts.
Okay. Thank you.
That's the difference. Any other questions here, please?
Hi, sir. One small thing. Actually, presently we are using the version is 12.2.8. So people or yes, please, yeah, VBS. So people want to go for like client areas. They want to go for Fusion. So as you said, in the SAS, no customization possible, means like page and applications. So we have in 12.2.8, we have some customized page, like we have developed for one department, like customized approval form, like OAF page we developed. Then how it works in the Fusion, if you subscribe SaaS?
First, what you have to do is, whatever the customizations you did in EBS, if you are going to move to Fusion, whether what purpose you did the customizations, those can be supported in the Fusion or not. Without doing customization, you have to check one thing. So you are saying you created one page for some approval purpose.
Approvals.
Yeah.
Correct, correct.
That verify in the fusion. Okay, what purpose you created, that purpose can be fulfilled in the fusion with the standard approval process what Oracle is providing, and that we have to check, because EBS approvals works with AME, in fusion approvals works with the BPM, and it's so flexible with EBS. And that
No, no. Yeah, thank you for that. And my it's okay. It's approvals only, but for
okay,
example,
got you. Some just the display or so and so, like, okay. So
yeah, for like store requesting, for example,
got
they have
it,
store
got it.
request concept.
Got it.
Yeah.
If you think that is essential, okay, so you at any cost you need that, and that means you have to do some customization, so you can opt for pass.
So, but here client want to go for SaaS. I don't know, maybe because of license cost or something. So it's not possible in SaaS, correct?
Yes, it's not possible in the pass. But again, you have to see the customization is like just customization in very rare cases that can be used, or it's a very important activity or process that we have to definitely validate. So then you can talk about, if you go with the SaaS, what are the benefits? Just because of this one or two customizations, if you are going with the pass, what they just lose as an opportunity of using SaaS, that we have to explain.
No, here they are using for day-to-day business transactions.
Yeah, then
it's a must actually.
It's a mandatory. It's essential in the sense only they pass.
Okay, so okay. And one more thing. Thank you for that. For example,
One thing. You no need to worry about if you are going to use a pass. See, it is going to meet 100% your business requirement, right? So
yes.
all you no need to worry about it. Very frequently there is no upgrades and all, it takes place. So maybe so 1 year or 2 years, 3 years, if you want to upgrade, you can upgrade, or else with the current product what Oracle is providing, you can continue. There is no issues. If you think something else is added that is useful for your company, and so process is very much just improved. If you think all these points, if you find benefit, then only you can upgrade. Otherwise, you can stand with the same release which you are using. You are enjoying the customizations what your company required, right? So that we have to consider.
But people want to go for fusion because of like
both
here,
are
right?
fusion
People,
only. SaaS and PaaS both are fusion. Okay, both will have same flexibility. Only those 2 points. Okay, one thing is customization, other one is upgrade. Rest of all are remain same for SaaS or PaaS customers.
But as a client, they will consider cost also.
Yeah, see these kind of points we have to put on the table, and discussion is required. Decision can be taken.
Okay, one small question, sir. See, for example, in the same thing, if you have any issues, like for example, we are supporting presently the project. So if you have any issues, then how support will work from Oracle? Means
how
like
it works in EBS same. See, simple. We have to understand the game here. Instead of maintaining the servers by our own, servers are managed by Oracle. Other than that, the rest of game is same as EBS. Say client is using system. Okay, client is using this SaaS or PaaS. They get some issues. What they do, they have to report to support team, right?
Correct. We are the support team.
Yes, that's all. In Fusion also the same. Like in EBS, how that process works here also, they have to report to support team. Support team can look into that issues. They can resolve. If they need any support, again, that support team can contact Oracle also, Oracle support team. And that's how issues can be resolved. Only the difference is, instead of our own servers, we are using Oracle servers. Rest of the complete process, how it works, and everything is same. In case of our EBS R12, we can have our own DBAs, right? So for kind of batch applications or cloning, this and that activities can be done by our own DBA, since we have our own server. In case of cloud, any DB activities can be done by Oracle DBA team. You have to raise SR, service request. Okay. So what you want to do by DBA team, you can raise SR service request. They will just do that as our DBAs.
So as you said, our functional part will be the same. How we are supporting, like we
Functional
support the
part
same
would
in
be same, technical part would be same. Only DBA part will be changed. Instead of our DBS, Oracle DBS will help us because the servers are managed by Oracle DBS only. That's all. Rest of everything same.
But in SAS, no technical people will involve, right? As you said, no report customization not possible, right?
Where?
Sorry. In SAS, report possible.
Yeah, customization required, right? So you may do the custom reports development and you may integrate Fusion applications with third-party applications other than Oracle Fusion applications. There are technical people required.
Yeah. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for your time. Thank you.
Yeah, no issues. Thanks. Any other questions here, please? Any questions to understand the SAS, PaaS, IaaS? Right, seems to no questions. If no questions, we can wind up for today. So in tomorrow session, so it could be SAS or PaaS, how to access to that environment and how to create the user, how to just get access to certain environment and what are the different environments Oracle is providing. So we'll just talk about all these and we'll start working on the system also from the tomorrow session. Yeah. So any questions, you can stay back, we'll discuss. If no questions, we'll connect tomorrow same time. We're done for today. If you have any questions, please stay back, we'll discuss.
Hi, Satish over here. Do you have a batch after 9 o'clock now?
Sorry?
Do you have a second batch, the next batch?
No, we don't have this in the morning session. This by 9:30. This is
okay.
Time. Okay, 8 to 9:30.
Only 2 batches for you?
Yeah, morning. Yeah.
Okay. Afternoon batches are not there.
No, we don't have.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, if we attend for an interview, will the interview ask for the what is your subscription, SaaS, PaaS?
Simply you can say SaaS. My client is using SaaS subscription, you can say.
Okay.
That is not decided by us. See, if any company is doing the implementation, first there will be sales team, pre-sales teams, they'll go on to study about what business the client is doing. The sales and pre-sales teams knows very well about these Fusion applications, how it works. So these Fusion applications will support their business process, what they are doing, or else some modifications need to be done in the Fusion applications to support their business process. They do all these evaluations. We don't involve in that.
Okay. Why? Because I'm asking if I say that SaaS, I mean my client is using a SaaS subscription. If I went to some other company for an interview, they are using a PaaS subscription. Will they interested to take us, or is that any?
Yeah, we discussed that relevant point also. For a functional consultant, it doesn't make any difference. It could be SaaS or PaaS.
That is what I.
It is same.
Yep.
Yes, definitely.
Yes.
If you say you have experience on SaaS, and they will take you for PaaS because SaaS or PaaS product remains same.
Okay.
The PaaS, some additional customizations might have done for some area. Okay, maybe finance, maybe HCM, maybe PPM, maybe some other area. Say the PaaS, don't think it's only for finance. Almost finance solutions very much stabilized. Mostly you don't need to do the customization. If some client is taking the PaaS, they might be taking for SCM purpose or PPM purpose or HCM purpose, right? So this is also we have to understand. So frankly speaking, in the interview also, mostly they don't ask, did you work on SaaS or PaaS?
Okay.
So because there is no considerable difference for functional people. That is the reason. So that doesn't have any validation.
In your 15 years of experience, as you have, did you come across any real-time projects which are based on PaaS, which involves customizations in pages and applications and all?
Yes. PaaS, I worked for this last 6 years for, I think, three clients. They are very big clients who has operations in many countries. One client has a business in 100 countries. Okay, that's securities company. Okay, other clients are not in those many countries. They have multiple countries. So we just they gone for past customization, but whatever the customizations are done in the finance less. Okay, very less, and there are some other applications where they customized in the PPM applications, and a few other applications also they did customizations.
Okay, so very few percentage are also involved in PaaS. So there will be need for
Very, very
technical
less.
consultants.
I give an example, right? If 100 implementations are there in the cloud, so more than 90% are SaaS,
Okay,
10% are PaaS.
okay.
Yeah. So any other questions from anyone, please?
Hi, Lakshman. I would like to know, like, my background is like I'm from BSc, and then I've did my MBA, and then I've got placed for one of the US taxation companies. So I have got an experience of around 5 years in the US taxation. So now I'm looking to shift my career. So I'm here today to like attending the demo.
Yeah.
So I just wanted to know how much time it will take for me to learn this, and what are the like opportunities do I have, and what kind of assurance from your ERP tree is going to give me, like when can I get that placements based on this Oracle?
See, the first point is the course wise, it's very easy course. Okay. No
Okay.
coding, no programming, no logics.
Mhm.
Straightforward, like just what payables department does, what receivables department does. That's what we are going to learn. That would be for lifetime. Okay, no company is going to change their business process. When they buy, they have to pay. When they sell, they have to collect the payment. That's how the stuff what we are learning, it's going to be constant forever. Okay, so very minor changes means it may come just easily. You can adapt those. You can learn simple. So course wise, very simple. So irrespective of background, people are working on Fusion Financials applications. It's not like a suggestion, my experience I'm sharing. There are people whose background is purely technical.
Mhm.
Okay. They don't have any just kind of MBA or MCOM or BCom backgrounds. Okay, they are purely technical. Okay, BTech or like MSc or BSc, technical background. Since course is very simple, so anyone can do and anyone can understand. The second point, how much time it would take to learn and to acquire this skill, what level of skill you require. That completely depends on the time, how much you are going to spend for this course. Okay, see, I am going to run this training by scheduling for 3 months. Okay, by scheduling 3 months. I can complete this course in 10 days also. How? It totally depends how many hours I am going to run the classes. I can complete this course in 1 week also. I can complete this course in 1 week or 10 days or 1 month or 2 months or 3 weeks. Why I schedule for 3 months? Because every day we are going to spend only 1 hour 30 minutes. So that is reason it is going up to 3 months. We can do this course in 10 days also. So we have to change the session duration. So how many hours you are going to spend to learn this course, that will decide how soon you can learn. And now course duration is 3 months, but you don't need to depend on these classes all the time. You can attend the live classes. Other side, you will get access to previous batch complete videos. In the previous batch, this is how whatever the live classes I taken, those class videos access you will get. If you have free time, you no need to wait for second session after attending today. Okay, next session you no need to attend. You no need to wait for next session. You will have a videos access. You can play and you can just accordingly, you can start working on that environment. You can start learning. Other side, you can attend the live classes. And if you have any questions, you can ask any queries. We can discuss in the live classes. Even if you go through that videos, I'll be available to answer your questions. Okay, when you go through the video, say today is second session and you subscribe this course, you got previous batch videos. Maybe after 2 days, you might be playing the 10th session video. No worries. So you can make a note of the questions when you go through the videos offline, and just my team can set up the call and we can discuss. And other side, you can attend the live classes. So this will decide how much time it would take. When you talk about assurance and all, there is no assurance from our end. The reason, there is a huge demand in the market. I no need to give any assurance. If you place the CV in the job portals, Naukri, Monster, or Dice, or any, like, depending on where you are in, you will get good amount of calls. There is huge demand for cloud. In cloud also, financials got very good demand. Okay, if you see on financials, 100 openings, okay, 100 openings. So you could see minimum 60 openings for finance, remaining 40 openings you can find for SCM, PPM, HCM. That means you can see how much percentage of scope you have with respect to openings or demand in the market. Okay, every client financials, along with the financials, what else they'll take decision as per their business process. Most of the clients need financials. That is the reason you will get good demand. You will, I mean, if you post your CV, so immediately you'll start getting the calls. If there is no scope in the market, we have to struggle to find the jobs, then we have to talk about assurance and support from our end, not required. If you or me is going to post the CV in the job portal, simply we get the calls. Huge demand we have in the market, not only localized demand, global demand. Okay, you can get job easily in India, or you can get job in US, or you can get job in UAE or other countries. So that's how this product is in the great demand.
Yeah, I understand, and thanks for addressing that. That is what I'm just very skeptical about this, because I'm shifting my career, having 5 years of experience. So I need to start my career in Oracle again as a fresher. So,
Let
so
me
that's the
answer
thing.
this offline. Let me pause the recording. I'll explain very detailed.
Yeah, sure, definitely.